The tiring is very floral. Morning, guys. Bugtaw na kami, kamuda. Wala, siya, nagsisi. Iced coffee. One more.
One more. Okay. Apat. Okay, get the money from daddy and then 2 prata. Okay, dad.
2 prata.
Dong. Nasi, 5 chicken. So we open this like this. Then
Ay, ano lang ito? Style lang dito, yeah. Oh, tapos kanisya na siya.
tapos here inside is this one. Oh, the money. You like this, right? The money, the marketed money that the grind tara.
Ang galing bulat.
And this is the sauce and then chicken. How do we eat?
Dito na sa baba, oh.
Kami ni
Bulat to isa mo.
Good morning.
Ako anong bulad eh?
Wala, may lang
Ako
ka.
muna ni Kiki. Ito ang bulad guys. Tunga lang ka na natay papa.
Okay.
Lapa.
Prata.
The best day nga pag kay Mark.
Muragan siya.
Murag ka ng bulad. Ano nga ng pastil.
Budol.
Ano mo yung artidad?
Arte. Ano sabi mo, Kes? Huwag ma-arte dad.
Artidad.
Ito bagoong.
Try it. Then rate.
Ami ako eh.
Dip. Murag kinamuton, manggit good na bro. Wala gid na nila ginatinidor. Sige daw. Then, tikman mo. How was it? Kami.
Asa? Wala kita nagsimaw siya. Di ba ano siya? Okay. Step 1.
Tita Kay, yung ano.
What? Ay, sorry.
Tapos, balik ka sa loob.
Ano? Not gonna take.
Sabay na kayo, ulahin na ka.
Kinsay na mali og gate og sulod. Kapaha, oy, mura mapog Singaporean. Mura mapog Singaporean si Tihana. Oh, ang tiyan. Ang tiyan sa Jude. Can't take back what you said. Kana isaksakan. Can't take back what you said. Can't take back what you say.
Kasi nagkakamutan na ba? Is this going to Malaysia?
And then,
Mind your step, ha?
No!
Oh, hindi. Okay, akala ko yung isa, yung malaki.
Si Mamba. Mind your step.
Which direction is the sun?
which direction is the sun? Rico. Okay. You're too sweet for me.
Welcome, student development tour guide. I introduce myself first. My name is Sandra.
Sandra.
Maybe is a girl name.
Girl name.
This is my real name. Yeah, and before start the tour, my driver is called Benny.
Sandra and Benny.
Yeah, and before start the tour, there are some other things I need to let you know first. The first thing about the timings, you are in Batam now, and our local time is behind Singapore time 1 hours.
Okay.
Now just local time is 8:50.
Okay.
850. And the second thing is about our currency. I have to change some rupiah. Why? Because in here, most of the places is accept rupiah. They don't accept
Rupiah?
Singapore dollars. That's why
Rupiah?
better change some rupiah. Because like you go to the mini
Rupiah.
market, yeah, you want to buy the mineral water, you can use a credit card. Because the sum is too low. Then better change some rupiah. Maybe that the rupiah may be a bit
Rupiah?
confused. Because our rupiah has too many zero. I think you change $50 is about $500,000 plus.
That's true.
Rupiah.
Because now the conversion for $1 Singapore dollar is about more and less 12,000 for $1
Oh.
Singapore dollars. It just make it easier, 12,000. So $10,000 in rupiah is equivalent to about 80 cents Singapore dollars.
Oh, peso.
Peso.
Meron pa Philippines.
Punta na pa.
Parang 170.
Nauso na po diri. Sakura.
170 pesos kay
170.
Pesos.
Yeah.
270 rupiah, 1 peso.
Yeah.
200? 170.
Philippine peso.
Yung nasa...
Yeah, 270.
Yung nasa...
Rupiah,
Yeah,
1 peso, 270.
270.
Yung nasa port lagi ma'am. Ano, 170.
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo yung daan nila na. Parang nasa...
Indonesia. Looks like
And
Philippines.
about the itinerary, the first stop we are heading now is Deer Farm.
Farm?
Deer Farm. Deer.
Deer. Okay.
Deer Farm.
Yeah, there's 1 or 2 minutes to reach there. It's actually the Deer Farm is a jogging track. So the place we are going, they are just it's a small places only. They had a farm and some children theme park and 1 or 2 places for taking a photo. The rest is a jogging track. So maybe at there, we just stay about more and less 10 to 15 minutes together. Just follow me. And finish that, we are going to the Latex. And then we are heading to the local product shop. And then lunch is a seafood. Also arrange a 1 table. But I need to know, does anyone of you allergic to seafood?
No.
Oh, seafood, okay, right?
We love seafood.
Love seafood.
We love seafood.
Crabs.
More seafood.
Yes.
Hindi ka kayo para magkano mo kay...
Na, sige na nag-video na ako.
Lunch, we are going
Pagpukay.
to the
Okay lang.
coffee factory. Then the souvenir shops. And we're going to the factory outlets. And where up is the Lirnik, the high tea at the seaside area. And there's the last is shopping mall. These are today itinerary. Yeah, we already reached the Deer Farm.
Okay. Nani, 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 nani. Nani, 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 nani. You're too sweet for me. Ka-serious ba ni Keses? Wow, wow, wow. Ah, gara. Basta maka-Indonesia, mapakita ng tiyan. I'll take my whiskey.
How many...
Just follow me. Give me your phone. I have to take a look at the jogging track. You can see here below here they write the jogging. So mostly in here is a forest.
Kawasan jogging track.
How many
Sa Kupang, Batam.
How many...
Yes.
Gusto ko sila hawak.
Paano? Uy. Uy. Kita yun. Ano yan? Huh? Ano yan siya? Hello? Hello?
Chicken sila? Tingnan mo mga parrot!
Ah! Nag-kiss sila! Sana all.
Saan?
Kiss!
Kiss!
Kiss! Ah! Nag-kiss sila! Kiss! Ay! Ah, nag-kiss nga sila. Sana all. Kiss! Ay, wala na. Wala na.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Kiss! Wala na. Kiss!
Gusto lagi ng parrot.
I'll take my whiskey.
Kasi yung sa Brave.
Ay, I'm so brave.
Saan? Ah, yung stones. I'll take my whiskey.
Magpan mo ng tapangak.
Hala, may rainbow! May rainbow. Baday, may rainbow, baday. Like right now?
Yay, so pretty. Patingin.
Everyone.
Yay, everyone.
Hello? Recover.
Kayo muna. Ang galing mong bag.
Ay, report na siya sure.
Part mo siya nga.
Kids, with the kids.
Okay,
One
don't.
picture lang, kay mahurot ang film.
Paano pag-limit yun?
It's very cute. It's very cute.
Paano kadagan sa
I'll take my whiskey.
Cute mo yung brown.
Gusto na gawang anak ko, gaakyat.
Oh, nandun ang kanilang resting place. Oh, tas may mga dogs din na place. I'll take my whiskey.